Yo, what's happening everyone? It's your boy here, Abdurrahim. We are back again with another great, amazing tech video. The video today is all about the JBL Clip 4. As some of you guys know, I've been using the Clip 3, but today we're going to talk about, first of all, the JBL Clip 4, how it is and how the specs they are. So for further ado, let's get started. Oh, there we go. This is our JBL Clip 4. As you can see, guys, it's really impressive. I like the squad color. It's called the squad. It's not camo, but if you look at it, it's camouflage. But JBL, they're calling it squad. That's what's up. So we're gonna just unbox this kind of bad boy and see what's packed inside and what it comes with it. And we're gonna talk about the pros and cons, and we're gonna play the music and see how much it picks throughout the speaker. And is it for you or nah? Let's get started. Here we have it. This is our bad boy. Now we're gonna just unbox it and see what's up. I like the pattern at the back. I never talked about it, but I love this. Art is dope. So what's here? So this is the USB Type-C, which it comes with it. What's inside? What's inside? Let's see. Voila, there we go. I'm gonna keep this box aside. So what's this? Is this paperwork? I think it's a well-packed paperwork. Whoa, there we go. I knew it. The thing about JBL, all the paperwork looks a little bit the same. It's not quite different, but it be the same. It's really impressive. You can see how much high print it is. It's really awesome. I really enjoy this. I'm gonna keep this aside because we don't usually do the paperwork. Okay, this is our bad boy here. As you can see, guys, it's really impressive. I like the squad color. It's called the soldier color. I usually ask myself back in the days, is it proper to use this kind of color in public? Because you might be getting a problem, especially if you're living in Tanzania. So you might be getting a problem, but it's okay that you're using this, because even my camera has a skin of camouflage, which I asked a soldier and he said it's no problem. The only problem is don't wear this in Tanzania. The full combat of soldiers just don't do that. Okay, let's talk about the bad boy here. As you can see, it's really kind of well designed. It's really impressive. It's a game changer throughout JBL Clip 4. I really love the way they kept this design. It's really minimal. It's really impressive. It's really on the go. And you can see here we're having this kind of clipping, which you can clip it at the back of your bag, which is really impressive here. And yeah, let us just turn it on and see what's packed. And another kind of stuff, the button of turning it on, it's somewhere here. As you can see, guys, it's just somewhere here underneath, and you can just press that. You can see the light is blinking and it's just ready for you to pair. So let's pair it and play some music and see how much it can pick throughout music.
Je suis désolé.
Wow.
Mais je ne veux pas être empereur. Ce n'est pas mon affaire. Je ne veux ni conquérir ni diriger personne. Je voudrais aider tout le monde dans la mesure du possible. Juifs, chrétiens.
I'm impressed. It's really dope at first glance. Let's continue. Let me push the music forward.
Damas, c'est pour la liberté.
Whoa, it's impressive. Let's switch some music here. Let me try another one and see how much it's gonna pick, because I'm just pumped with that bass. Whoa, it's really picking up. It's dope, to be honest. It's really awesome. It's really impressive. And yeah, I'm just speechless on how much the smaller speaker, just like this one, the way it performs, it's really impressive. As you can see, guys, it's really awesome, because the music which it gives you, it's having a bass. It's not like the way JBL Flip 5 or those kind of bigger speakers they can give you, but it's pushing its own self there throughout the speaker. Now let's see heads to heads between the JBL Clip 4 and Clip 3, how much they gonna pick. You can see, guys, this is the JBL Clip 3. To be honest, the Clip 3 out of Clip 4, it looks like this is classic and this is more modern. I don't know, just see it, guys, and you'll just feel it. It's quite different, right? Very different. That the Clip 3, it has a different kind of shape, and Clip 4 has a very different kind of form factor. But I kind of like love the way the Clip 3 looks like. but I really feel impressed on how Clip 4 it looks like. They're all looking great, no bad. It's really kind of game changer because this looks rounded, this looks rectangle rounded, I can call it like an eggish rounded. This one looks full rounded, which it's really impressive to be honest. But let us just see heads to heads how much they can pick, and we're gonna just take out throughout spec towards both of them how much they are. Okay, the JBL Clip 4, these are the specs. So the JBL Clip 4 has a Bluetooth wireless streaming, which it's a Bluetooth 5.0, and you're getting an IP67 rated waterproof and dustproof. You're getting a built-in 10 hours of rechargeable battery and an integrated carabiner and a USB Type-C for charging. On the other side, we're having the JBL Clip 3, which is really impressive. On the JBL Clip 3, we're having the 3.5mm audio cable input. We're getting an auto power off, which if you want it to be like you're not doing anything, it will just auto power off its own self. You're getting a Bluetooth support, which is a streaming on the Bluetooth side. You're getting a speakerphone, and it's an waterproof rated, which it's really kind of impressive. And you get a 10 hours of playtime, which it's really kind of awesome because it's lasts longer. You're getting a carabiner, which you can just keep it on your bags or any kind of stuff you like throughout your traveling. Okay guys, as some of you guys can see that there's a very quite bigger difference throughout the JBL Clip 3 and the JBL Clip 4. First of all, the JBL Clip 4 has been removed the input of jack, which I think it's missing out, which it was really kind of greatness throughout the JBL Clip 3, which at the back you can see here you can just open it. You can see you can clip or you can dock it your jack there, whereby you can even keep the aux cable, which is really impressive. Another kind of stuff, the JBL Clip 3 uses the micro USB, so it's really kind of no bad thing to switch throughout the USB Type-C, but from the days you know the JBL Clip 3, the micro USB, it's really kind of great. Another kind of stuff, you get the carabiner. This is the carabiner, which you can just keep it on your bags and your backpack, which is really impressive. Another kind of stuff, let's talk about the buttons mapping here. Now, as some of you guys can see, these are the buttons mapping. So we're having the Bluetooth and the power, which it's really kind of impressive organized compared to the JBL Clip 4. You can see you are trying to find it where it is, but for this kind of squad color, it's really kind of hard to find the Bluetooth. It's somewhere here allocated, and power it's somewhere here. Finding the headphone jack for aux, actually there's none. I was busy finding it, but there is actually none. I think they try to make it looking more modern and compact. I'm not saying that JBL Clip 3 is not modern, but this has a little bit kind of bigger change throughout the form factor, but I wish they could just still keep it the jack, which it could be much better. You can see here there's Type-C, this one having the micro USB. Another kind of stuff, it's the whole form factor has really changed. The JBL Clip 4, it's really gigantic. I can call it gigantic. It's quite bigger compared to the JBL Clip 3, but the way the design they kept, it's really awesome. I'm really enjoying it. The JBL logo stands out compared to the JBL of Clip 3. You can see there it's just minimal there, staying there. It's really looking authentic throughout the JBL Clip 3. This one is not quite bad. They made it a material like rubber, which is somewhere here. I feel it like somebody can just remove it and yeah, and it's just gone. I feel it. But this one looks more great, more awesome. You can touch it. It looks like metal, and I think this is a metal material, which it's really kind of impressive. So these are heads to heads throughout JBL Clip 4 and JBL Clip 3. So this one is the JBL Clip 3. This is the JBL Clip 4. The question comes, which is your perfect choice? Well, to be honest, the JBL Clip 4 has more advanced features, which they're 2021, and the JBL Clip 3, they are more like back in the days features, missing out a little bit of bass, but it's a really still good speaker, and it's really compact in design looking, and it's really kind of awesome. The JBL Clip 4, in the other hand, it's really kind of more modern, more adjusted throughout the JBL Clip 3, and it's really awesome. Now, from the scale of 10 to 0, I'm giving the JBL Clip 4 score of 8. It's really impressive. It's scoring 8 throughout the category of JBL clip, and the clip 3 will be scoring around 6. It's really kind of impressive. The bass is not out there. If you listen to them, you'll understand them, how much they peak throughout the music, to be honest, and it's really kind of great. So talking about the pricing throughout the JBL clip 3 and clip 4, they're quite not that much expensive. They're budget, I can call them, and if you want to grab them, you can grab them at Gadgetronix. If you're living in Arusha, you can grab these kind of 2 bad boys at Gadgetronix of your choice if you like, between the JBL clip 4 and clip 3, and yeah, they're really kind of seamless and it's really kind of awesome. That's what's up, guys. I hope you enjoyed on this kind of video today, and last but not least, I'll be seeing your smiley faces on the next one. You're new here, consider subscribing to your homeboy here, and that's what's up, and peace.